just one thing, guys. There's not one air-conditioned restaurant. Well, there is one if we go back to our motel. But here, no such thing. Might need to go back to the motel. But I don't want to eat their food. 100 pesos going to the boat.
Market.
Dito ka, ma'am. Parating bang tayo?
Got the video going. Oh, that's fine. Okay, 100 pesos going to the boat. I got a motorcycle sitting there I paid for. But where do I park? Yeah, there's maybe a place to park. Bring the helmets on the boat. Kind of a hassle. So 100 pesos, $1.80, we're on the way. Easier than the other problem. Okay, 100 pesos, $1.80. We've got a motorcycle rented, but what were we going to do with the helmets? It was definitely, we would bring it on the boat. Well, you know, the boat drivers, they put it somewhere, but whatever. So we paid $1.80, 100 pesos, and we're off. We got our drivers here, and we're going to the market. Oh, we're changing? Oh, I didn't know we were changing. I don't understand that, but that's okay.
There's the cookies, there's no food.
I need to throw this away. It's no good.
It's good, sir.
No, well, not good for me. Boco juice. Make wine.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. We're ready. I don't know why we transferred, but the Coron sign back there changed. I don't know why we changed. And we're going to the very end and around, and I assume that's where they parked their boat. So we could go into the market. We're at the market. I did it yesterday. I don't know how much. The battery went bad. Fish.
Bangos, ma'am, bangos.
What? That one?
Oh, ito.
That's kind of too big, isn't it?
Saan ma'am, ito? Ganito.
But he's kind of big.
With snapper?
Yeah, we'll take him. We'll eat it for
You want,
breakfast.
sir?
This one?
Yeah, that one. 300 pesos a kilo.
No, that's not.
Ito na lang kaya, ma'am, yung isa. Wait yun.
We're gonna get him
Ito yung gusto
as
niya?
long as the price is right.
Magkano kilo?
Ma'am, magkano to? Yung kilo? 500 ang kilo.
How much?
500 per kilo, sir.
Oh no, I found it way cheaper. Could have got it for $3.30 on the way.
This one, sir.
How much?
Magkano to, boss? Ang kilo? 350 per kilo, sir.
How much?
350 per kilo.
See, I knew that. All right, let's go look for just a little bit bigger one. You want a bigger one? Let's get a bigger one.
Lapu-lapu, ne?
Marugtad lahat ni siya, ma'am.
That's that's red snapper.
Yeah.
That's good. I like red snapper.
Y'all just get that one.
Just a little bigger.
Yeah, but if bigger, it's not.
Well, we might do that one. Ah, that's it. That's it. Let's go get it.
Ano na yan, dry.
We'll take it.
350 kilo nito. Yung pati yan. Hindi ko rin mahawakan.
We'll take that one.
Kiloy mo daw yan.
Red snapper. Eyes look good.
725. Pagad na yan. Ito lang kaya sa akin. Ito lang? Oo.
Amo, kain kayo. Hoy!
Yeah, excuse me.
So dirty. Babe, this one.
650.
We don't like his eyes.
Huh?
Ito.
Here.
See how cloudy his eyes are? Go look.
This one.
Well, look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. 270
Maipit ka dyan ng ano.
a kilo.
Uling na at saka uling. Fruit. Hindi, 215. Fruits, tsaka uling.
How much was that total?
4.
400. Hey. I want to go check out the price.
What fruits do you want?
How much?
1,500.
How much?
1,500, sir.
1,000?
500.
Nah, I bought better than that last night. Thanks.
1 kilo.
Too much. Alrighty, she's picking it all out. Then we got a watermelon. We got.
Tubig, ma'am. Tubig.
Ah, yeah. Tubig, 1 galon.
Where's my backpack?
Oo.
Where's my backpack? Oh, that's right. He took it. I'm not used to that. Alrighty.
Ay, walang 5 liters lang? 5 liters?
1 liter, ma'am.
1 liter?
Yeah, there we go.
Dalawang 1.5 na lang.
Pasabol ka. Tingi lang.
Tingi lang. Ay, dumi na pa. Ayan. Okay.
Bigas.
Okay.
Bigas, ma'am.
Bigas. Mag-rice kayo, 1 kilo lang.
Bigas. Isa lang, isa lang.
765.
765. That's seven. And that is about 14 American dollars. She wants a couple mangoes. They're out of season, so they're expensive. Now the mangoes are way expensive. That's good.
Tatlo lang. Kana na sa.
135 pesos. That'll be $2.50. Ha! I get them for 80 pesos, 70, 50 when it's in season. You can't believe that. And I put them in the blender and I freeze them. Actually, they seem to charge the same price for fat, and I'm talking fat. They charge the same price, but the Filipinos, they love their fat, including this one. 36, I think. And how much was it a pay?
440.
Okay, but how much a kilo?
400.
400.
450.
450. Oh my God. Anyway, we're going on the boat. The fish, one fantastic price. The watermelon was a good price. Mangoes are out of season. Pork. I would say they don't have any pork on this island. Very expensive. $4.50. My God, we get it for 300. Oh well. But we're on the boat and we're off. These are tour people. They're riding for about 1,700 pesos each. And the two of us, we paid 7,000 pesos total, right?
No.
Right? So 7,000 pesos for two really is only twice as much. We get our own boat.
Let's get out now.
Coron. That's where we're at. We paid 7,000 pesos for this boat ride. And these tours are about 1,700 per person. But I'll get you better numbers. And this is our boat. I can get on here. Alrighty, we're going to the end. Oh. Yeah, I didn't think that made sense. And we're off.
Hello.
And we're off.
Hello.
And we're off.